Pelajaran nomor 6. Dalam pelajaran ini, John dan Kate sedang mengobrol di rumah Kate. Mereka sudah sarapan dan saat itu menjelang waktu makan siang. Kate berkata bahwa dia akan menemui teman-temannya. Dia ingin John ikut dengannya. Dengarkan dialog berikut.
I'm going to meet my friends. Do you want to go with me?
Sure, Kate. I'd like to. Where are they going to be?
They are going to be in the restaurant.
In which restaurant?
At the Blue Sea restaurant.
Dengarkan dialog lagi.
I'm going to meet my friends. Do you want to go with me?
Sure, Kate. I'd like to. Where are they going to be?
They are going to be in the restaurant.
In which restaurant?
At the Blue Sea restaurant.
Kate berkata,
I'm going to meet my friends.
secara harfiah berarti saya akan bertemu teman-teman saya.
I'm going to. I'm going to.
Saya akan.
I'm going to.
Saya akan bertemu.
I'm going to meet. I'm going to meet.
Bertemu.
Meet. 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 Eat. Eat. Meet.
Teman-teman saya.
My friends. My friends.
Saya akan bertemu teman-teman saya.
I'm going to meet my friends. I'm going to meet my friends.
Apakah Anda mau ikut saya?
Do you want to go with me? Do you want to go with me?
Kemana Anda akan pergi?
Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go?
Saya ingin pergi ke kafe.
I want to go to the cafe. I want to go to the cafe.
Saya ingin pergi ke kafe.
I'd like to go to the cafe. I'd like to go to the cafe.
Yang mana? Dengarkan.
Which one? Which one? Which?
Yang mana?
Which? 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 Which one?
Ke kafe yang mana?
To which cafe? To which cafe?
Yang mana?
Which one? Which one?
Apakah Anda ingin pergi ke Max Cafe?
Do you want to go to the Max Cafe? Do you want to go to the Max Cafe?
Tentu, Kate.
Sure, Kate. Sure, Kate.
Saya mau.
I'd like to. I'd like to.
Saya ingin pergi hari ini.
I'd like to go today. I'd like to go today.
Apa yang Anda pesan?
What do you want to order? What do you want to order?
Saya ingin pesan jus jeruk segar.
I'd like to order fresh orange juice. I'd like to order fresh orange juice.
Apakah Anda suka jus jeruk?
Do you like orange juice? Do you like orange juice?
Jawab, ya, saya suka sekali.
Yes, I like it very much. Yes, I like it very much.
Anda ingin pesan kopi segar dengan susu dan gula. Bagaimana Anda mengatakannya?
I'd like some fresh coffee with milk and sugar. I'd like some fresh coffee with milk and sugar.
Sebuah jeruk.
One orange. One orange.
Beberapa kopi.
Some coffee. Some coffee.
Satu kopi.
One coffee. One coffee.
Satu kafe.
One cafe. One cafe.
Bagaimana Anda mengatakan selamat datang di kafe?
Welcome to the cafe. Welcome to the cafe.
Selamat pagi.
Good morning. Good morning.
Selamat pagi. Selamat datang.
Good morning. Welcome. Good morning. Welcome.
John bertanya, kemana mereka akan pergi? Dengarkan bagaimana sebaiknya mengatakannya.
Where are they going to be?
Frasa
Going to.
berarti akan melakukan sesuatu.
Going to.
Sekarang mari kita ucapkan beberapa kalimat menggunakan
Going to. I'm going to meet my friends. I'm going to meet my friends.
saya akan minum jus.
I'm going to drink juice. I'm going to drink juice.
Saya akan makan malam.
I'm going to have dinner. I'm going to have dinner.
Saya akan menyiapkan sarapan.
I'm going to make breakfast. I'm going to make breakfast.
Saya akan pulang.
I'm going to go home. I'm going to go home.
Apa Anda akan ada di sana?
Are you going to be there? Are you going to be there?
Apakah Anda akan memesan?
Are you going to order? Are you going to order?
Apakah Anda akan memesan telur orak-arik?
Are you going to order scrambled eggs? Are you going to order scrambled eggs?
Ya, saya akan memesannya.
Yes, I'm going to. Yes, I'm going to.
Sekarang tanyakan Anda ingin minum apa?
What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink?
Saya ingin minum teh.
I'd like to drink some tea. I'd like to drink some tea.
Saya ingin minum kopi.
I'd like to drink some coffee. I'd like to drink some coffee.
Kemana mereka akan pergi?
Where are they going to be? Where are they going to be?
Mereka akan pergi ke restoran.
They are going to be in the restaurant. They are going to be in the restaurant. In the restaurant.
Di restoran.
Restaurant.
Restoran.
Where are they going to be?
They are going to be in the restaurant.
Ulangi dengan nyaring.
Restaurant. Ant. Ant. Runt. Runt. To runt. To runt. Res. 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 Restaurant. In the restaurant.
Di restoran. Katakan bahwa restorannya besar dan kafenya kecil.
This restaurant is big and this cafe is small. This restaurant is big and this cafe is small.
Restoran ini sangat besar.
This restaurant is very big. This restaurant is very big.
Hari ini saya akan makan malam di restoran.
I'm going to have dinner in the restaurant today. I'm going to have dinner in the restaurant today.
Apakah Anda lapar?
Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Dengarkan pertanyaan John.
Where are they going to be?
They are going to be in the restaurant.
In which restaurant?
Anda telah memahami pertanyaan terakhir John yang berarti di restoran yang mana. Dengarkan jawabannya.
In which restaurant?
At the Blue Sea restaurant.
Apakah Anda dapat mendengarkan perbedaan bagian awal dua pernyataan ini? Dengarkan sekali lagi.
In which restaurant?
At the Blue Sea restaurant. In
Akan digunakan dalam situasi ini jika kita sedang membicarakan sebuah restoran saja tanpa merujuk pada restoran tertentu.
at.
Digunakan apabila kita mengetahui restoran yang sedang dibicarakan.
At the Blue Sea restaurant.
Tanyakan, di kafe yang mana?
In which cafe? In which cafe?
Di Max Cafe.
At Max Cafe. At Max Cafe.
Oke, ayo pergi ke sana.
Okay, let's go there. Okay, let's go there.
Kemana? Ke restoran atau kafe?
Where? To the restaurant or to the cafe? Where? To the restaurant or to the cafe?
Ayo kita pergi ke restoran.
Let's go to the restaurant. Let's go to the restaurant.
Dengarkan dialog lain antara John dan Kate. John menanyakan di mana restoran tempat teman-teman Kate berada. Dengarkan.
Blue Sea restaurant? What type of restaurant is it?
This is seafood restaurant.
That's fantastic. I like seafood.
That's great. You will like my friends too.
Dengarkan dialog lagi.
Blue Sea restaurant? What type of restaurant is it?
This is seafood restaurant.
That's fantastic. I like seafood.
That's great. You will like my friends too.
Pada awal dialog, John menyampaikan pertanyaan.
Blue Sea restaurant?
Dia menyebutkan nama restoran yaitu Blue Sea. Dia tertarik restoran ini sehingga ia bertanya tentang jenis restoran tersebut. Dengarkan.
Blue Sea restaurant? What type of restaurant is it? Blue Sea.
Blue Sea.
Blue. 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 Sea. 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 Blue Sea restaurant.
Seperti apa restoran itu? John memikirkan makanan apa yang mereka sajikan di sana.
What type of restaurant is it? What type of restaurant is it?
Saya sedang minum jus.
I'm drinking juice. I'm drinking juice.
Jus apa itu?
What type of juice is it? What type of juice is it?
Jus jeruk.
Orange juice. Orange juice.
Kopi apa yang Anda suka?
What type of coffee do you like? What type of coffee do you like?
Saya suka kopi dengan susu.
I drink coffee with milk. I drink coffee with milk.
Tanyakan dengan keras, satu kopi dengan susu?
One coffee with milk? One coffee with milk?
Ya, satu kopi dengan susu.
Yes, one coffee with milk. Yes, one coffee with milk.
Saya akan bertemu teman-teman saya.
I'm going to meet my friends. I'm going to meet my friends.
Apakah Anda mau ikut dengan saya?
Do you want to go with me? Do you want to go with me?
Kemana Anda akan pergi?
Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go?
Ke restoran.
To the restaurant. To the restaurant.
Ke restoran mana?
To which restaurant? To which restaurant?
Di restoran mana?
In which restaurant? In which restaurant?
Ke restoran Blue Sea.
To the Blue Sea restaurant. To the Blue Sea restaurant.
Di restoran Blue Sea.
In the Blue Sea restaurant. In the Blue Sea restaurant.
Saya akan pergi ke kafe.
I'm going to go to the cafe. I'm going to go to the cafe.
Apakah Anda akan ikut dengan saya?
Are you going to go with me? Are you going to go with me?
Jawab, saya tidak yakin.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Saya ingin makan malam. Saya lapar.
I want to have dinner. I'm hungry. I want to have dinner. I'm hungry.
Oke, saya akan sarapan.
Okay, I will eat some breakfast. Okay, I will eat some breakfast.
Kate menjawab pertanyaan tentang jenis restoran.
This is seafood restaurant.
Sekarang Anda telah mengenal kata
Sea
dan
restaurant.
sehingga kita bisa menyimpulkan bahwa itu adalah restoran makanan laut. Secara harfiah berarti makanan laut. Dengarkan.
Seafood. Seafood. Sea. Sea.
Ulangi.
Food.
Makanan.
Food. Food. Odd. Odd. Food. Blue Sea Restaurant.
Adalah restoran makanan laut.
Blue Sea Restaurant is a seafood restaurant. Blue Sea Restaurant is a seafood restaurant.
Jawablah pertanyaan.
Do you like seafood? Do you like seafood?
Ya, saya suka makanan laut.
Yes, I like seafood. Yes, I like seafood.
Tidak, saya tidak suka makanan laut.
No, I don't like seafood. No, I don't like seafood.
Anda juga akan menyukai teman-teman saya.
You will like my friends too. You will like my friends too. Two. 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 Two.
Saya juga akan ke restoran makanan laut.
I'm going to the restaurant with seafood too. I'm going to the restaurant with seafood too.
Apakah Anda perhatikan bahwa kadang kita menambahkan
The.
sebelum kata benda, namun dalam kasus lain kita tidak menambahkannya. Ini karena kita harus menambahkan sebelum objek tertentu atau tempat tertentu yang akan dikunjungi. Dengarkan perbedaan mendasar pada contoh. Saya akan pergi ke restoran, suatu restoran.
I'm going to a restaurant. I'm going to a restaurant.
Saya akan pergi ke restoran Blue Sea, sebuah restoran tertentu.
I'm going to the Blue Sea restaurant. I'm going to the Blue Sea restaurant.
Apakah Anda akan pergi ke kafe? Suatu kafe.
Will you go to a cafe? Will you go to a cafe?
Apakah Anda akan pergi ke kafe dekat rumah dengan saya? Kafe tertentu.
Will you go to the cafe next to my house with me? Will you go to the cafe next to my house with me?
Apakah Anda suka minum kopi dengan susu? Kopi dengan susu secara umum.
Do you like coffee with milk? Do you like coffee with milk?
Apakah Anda suka kopi ini, kopi yang Anda minum?
Do you like the coffee? Do you like the coffee?
Dan sekarang jawab pertanyaan, apakah Anda ingin sarapan?
Would you like some breakfast? Would you like some breakfast?
Ya, saya ingin sarapan.
Yes, I'd like some breakfast. Yes, I'd like some breakfast.
Anda ingin sarapan apa?
What would you like for breakfast? What would you like for breakfast?
Apa sarapan kita hari ini?
What do we have for breakfast today? What do we have for breakfast today?
Anda ingin minum apa hari ini?
What do you want to drink today? What do you want to drink today?
Apakah Anda ingin minum?
Do you want something to drink? Do you want something to drink?
Saya lapar.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Saya ingin makan malam.
I'd like some dinner. I'd like some dinner. I want some American dinner. I want some American dinner.
Silakan, Anda ingin makan malam dengan apa?
Welcome. What would you like for dinner? Welcome. What would you like for dinner?
Saya ingin sarapan hari ini.
I'd like some breakfast today. I'd like some breakfast today.
Bolehkah saya mengambil pesanan Anda?
May I take your order? May I take your order?
Tolong kopi yang banyak dengan susu dan 1 sendok teh gula.
Big coffee with milk and 1 teaspoon of sugar, please. Big coffee with milk and 1 teaspoon of sugar, please.
Datanglah ke dapur.
Come to the kitchen. Come to the kitchen.
Di mana dapurnya?
Where's the kitchen? Where is the kitchen?
Dapur di sebelah kamar mandi.
The kitchen is next to the bathroom. The kitchen is next to the bathroom.
Dapurnya kecil dan kamar mandinya besar.
The kitchen is small and the bathroom is big. The kitchen is small and the bathroom is big.
Dapurnya besar.
The kitchen is big. The kitchen is big.
Tanyakan apakah kita akan pergi ke kafe itu sekarang, kafe tertentu.
Are we going to the cafe now? Are we going to the cafe now?
Datanglah ke kafe ini.
Come to the cafe. Come to the cafe.
Ya, kami datang.
Yes, we're coming. Yes, we're coming.
Datanglah ke dapur.
Come to the kitchen. Come to the kitchen.
Apakah Anda ikut saya?
Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me?
Saya ikut Anda.
I'm coming with you. I'm coming with you.
Mengapa kita tidak pergi ke kafe tertentu?
Why don't we go to the cafe? Why don't we go to the cafe?
Tentu, ayo.
Sure, let's go. Sure, let's go.
Selamat tinggal.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Dalam pelajaran ke-14, Anda telah mempelajari frasa-frasa dan kata lain yang berguna. Dengarkan dan ulangi kembali agar Anda dapat merangkainya.
Meet.
Bertemu,
Meet. Which one?
yang mana,
Which one? Restaurant.
restoran,
Restaurant. Blue.
biru,
Blue. Sea.
laut,
Sea. Seafood.
makanan laut,
Seafood. Going to.
akan,
Going to. To.
juga.
To.
Akhir pelajaran 6.